Welcome to my YouTube channel. What's he up to now? Smash that subscribe button, and if you like this video, give it a like, share it with someone else that might like it. It really helps me and my channel out. I really appreciate it. Well, without further ado, let's see what he's up to now. What's he up to now? Free food again. For those of you that saw my video last year of purslane, that weed that you can eat, well then, you know, there's lots of free food. Well, today I picked some dandelion flowers in my yard. I don't use poison on my yard, so don't pick no flowers if there's weed killer anywhere around, but I don't use it, so these are safe. So I'm going to show you what I do with these flowers. Let's check it out. I'm going to wash them off right now and dry them, and then I'll come back. So I want to wash them off, make sure there's nothing on it that we can't eat. So after I wash them and dry them, we'll get back. Okay, I spread the dandelions out on the towel and rolled them up. And I'm just going to unroll them. I think they're dry now. For the most part, dry enough. There we go. There's our dandelions. I don't have that many, but it's just going to be a little snack. Now, I got this. Okay, so I'll tell you what I put in the bowl here. A quarter cup of milk, a quarter cup of water, half cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of pepper, because I like pepper, as you guys know, 1 teaspoon of salt, and I put a tablespoon of garlic powder in it because I like garlic as well. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these flour heads and I'm just going to drop them right in my mixture here. And I got more mixture than I need, but that's okay. And then I'm going to just make sure they're covered. I'm just going to stir them right in here until they're all covered. And you're soaking in them. And my flour mixture here. I can see I ain't going to get too much out of them, but that's alright. The more you pick, the more you can do, but this is just a demonstration. Now you can eat everything. Everything. The roots, the stem, the flowers, the leaves, and dandelions have super high concentrations of nutrition and stuff that's good for you. So, just like the purslane. So now I'm going to take you over to the stove and see how we deep fry it. Okay, be right back. Now for deep frying purposes, we're going to turn this on, of course. Get some fire going. And then I'm going to show you my trick, what I do. I put a little water on my finger and I drop 1 drop of water into the pan. Now, when that drop of water starts popping and crackling, you know it's time to put your ingredients in. I even do that drop of water trick when I just have I cover a cast iron pan with Pam before I cook eggs or anything. I just drop a water on there when that starts. Then it's hot enough to do it, so it helps food from sticking, and it's a good way to make sure your oil's hot enough to put something in it without using the thermometer. Alright, see that starting to splatter and pop? Well, we know that's that drop of water. Well, we know it's getting close to being temperature there. Once that water starts popping like that, you know the oil's getting pretty hot. Let's give it a couple more seconds here, and then I'll start putting the dandelions in. Alright, it's popping pretty good. So I'm going to start putting these in here with the fork. You want to pick the dandelions before they start making their little fluffies that you can blow in the wind. You want to get them when they're yellow. Don't try deep frying the seeds. That probably won't be as good as this. I'm sure it won't kill you, but it might not be as tasty. Let's see. Put another one in. Maybe I might be able to fit them all in. Yeah, why the hell not? They're shrinking up already a little bit, so I'll just keep on adding them until. And then we're going to cook them until they're golden brown, of course, just like you would do anything that's breaded or battered. This is batter. And then we'll take them out. Oh, come on. Can't get them out of there. And a couple more left. And there we go. They're all in there. I have to flip them over a little bit. Alright, I'm just going to let them sit here until I start seeing them turn a little more golden brown. Okay. Looking good. I'll use the batter. I'm going to set the little bowl with a paper towel back there in it. Okay, get them when they're ready. Flip them over. Spread them out a little bit more so they'll all touch in here. Let them crisp up some. Yeah, still a little soft. Let's see how long this takes. Alright, be back in just a second. You don't want to overbore you. But it's looking like it's only been a couple minutes. Well, maybe we'll go through the whole process. Well, maybe not. It might take a little bit longer, I think. Maybe about 5 or 6 minutes. Well, don't need to watch that for 5 minutes. I'll be right back. Alright, it's been about 5, maybe 6 minutes. But maybe I flipped them over a few times. They seem to be done, so I just turned off the heat. Start taking them out, put them on the towel. They're looking nice and golden brown. And then we're going to take them to the table, and I'm going to give one a taste test and let you know what these flowers taste like. Pretty much dandelion poppers. I don't know. Well, they're not poppers if they don't cheese in them, but let's see. Wow. There we go. Get these things out of here before they soak up too much oil. If I can. Using just a fork. And one more. And the oil. Let's get out of there, you son of a biscuit. Ooh. There's one that fell there. Alright, okay, let's take this over the table and give her a taste test. Okay, here we have it. Deep fried dandelion flowers. Let's see, I'm going to give it a taste test. Alright, let's see what it's like. Crunchy. That is good. Can't really try another one. That's a big one. Okay, let's give that a try. Okay, I'm going to have a taste of it. A little green. Not much, not bitter. That is really scrumptious. Wow. I've never tried them before, to be honest. That is really good. Alright. Huh. Wow. Free food in Vermont. Dandelions. Awesome. And you, like I said, you can eat the flowers, the leaves, and the salad, and the roots. Take them, wash them off, dehydrate them, grind them up, make tea. The whole plant has all kinds of vitamins. Google it. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that. Deep fried dandelion. Awesome. Cool. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this and give it a shot at home. And we'll see you next time. So we'll see what he's up to next time. Alright, thank you very much. Bye. Well, thank you for watching my video to the end. Well, since you did, I'd like to ask you to subscribe, like, and share if you like this video. You never know what's going to be happening next, so stay tuned. Check back with me and see what's going on. I'll try to post a video once or twice a week to see what he's up to now. Alright. Have a great day. Thank you very much.